Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. You all know that our soil here in the desert Southwest is not the most beneficial for healthy plant growth. It is mostly sand, rocks, and clay. While these elements contain many minerals that plants need to grow, they are not in the form that most plants can take up easily. Organic matter comes from all living things, whether it's plants or animals. When this organic matter is in the soil, it becomes a source of food for microorganisms that, along with moisture, help to break it down into compost. This composting process releases minerals and nutrients that plant roots can readily use. It helps to aerate the soil, keep it from packing too hard, and also ends up adding humic acid, which lowers the alkalinity of our soil. This composted organic matter is what most plant roots need to survive. This is what the tiny white hair roots of plants use to wrap around and absorb their moisture and nutrients from. Of course, with the lack of organic matter and moisture from natural rainfall, many plants won't survive here without our help. By adding organic matter to the soil when we plant, we give the plant roots the opportunity to expand and survive. And by periodically adding layers of organic mulch to the soil surface, we can build better soil quality. With the regular application of organic matter and proper watering, we create a healthier environment for plant growth. Have you ever noticed how hard the native soil is when you try to dig in it? When organic mulch is mixed with the soil, it keeps it from drying out and compacting as rapidly. This is very important to new plant roots that are trying to get established in our environment. They need that organic matter to keep the soil looser and to hold the moisture they need. Organic mulch mixed with the soil surrounding a new plant's roots is a necessity for healthy growth. The regular addition of organic surface mulching is vital to both plant and soil maintenance. Our Dr. Q's Pay Dirt Planting Mix and Mulch is a premium quality product that is perfect for adding organic matter to your soil. Help your plants to survive. Use Dr. Q's planting partners in your garden. For more information, check out our free Star Notes number 620 and number 001 at any Star Nursery location or at starnursery.com. And while you are there, check out this week's specials that include high-yield weed and feed fertilizer in an 18-pound bag for just $9.99 each. Don't forget, I make house calls. Call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. I'm Dr. Q, and I'll see you next week.